Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4 with my friend Bailey. We're going to do like a duo video. Go to his channel and subscribe to him. His name is Ninja Pug Gaming. Make sure to. You need to, I swear. Because like, his content is so good. I'm not joking. You need to. Alright, so we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4, as I said in the intro. And we got to prepare the broken windows. And I'm not doing anything because I'm bored. Why is no one doing anything? Like, I'm the only person doing, like, 2 jobs, maybe? I'm doing it very slowly, but I'm getting the work done. I'm waiting for this. Yeah. I know there's going to be one of this. What? I just fixed that. God, there's 2. Oh my God, guys. Okay, guys, my friends are going to join in a minute. He can't join now, though. I'm getting up. I ain't risking my life. Nah, fam. I'm out. I'm not gonna die. Alright, I'm helping them. Come on, everybody, get the windows. Yes, we survived. I'm pressing the button next. Aliens! Oh no, me and my friend are dead. As you can see, my friend is like... Let's find him. He just respawned his character, I'm pretty sure. No, he just died. He's here. He's hit this guy. The One Piece man. He's just having a few issues with his Xbox. So fire the most amount of fireworks. Alright. See if I can even find a firework first. Like, this level, I played this game before, but this level is so annoying. How do you do this? I haven't even fired 1 yet. It's like someone has fired 5. I swear I've checked all of these buildings. Is it just me, or have I checked everywhere and there's not one? I don't know. Can't find them. My problem. They're nowhere. Okay. My friend's got a grappler and he's just grappling everywhere. So. Oh, I see a firework. My firework! Can I fire another one? No. I only got 1. How did someone get 5? I'm pressing the button. Yeah. Do you want to build a snowman? No, I don't want to. Do you want to run through your holes? No. What? Huh? Right, guys, my friend's going to do his video in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I keep dying for some reason. Hello, guys. Oh, I remember a noise like this one. That's wrong. Alright, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe. Hit that notification bell and make sure to like. Oh, guys, how is it? This T-door is getting on all actually, he's just died. Oh, yeah, I just won. I click it. Oh, play with the beach ball. I love playing with the beach ball. No, 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 beach ball. Get your drink. How am I drinking this? Is there like a shop? I think there is. Oh yeah, there is. Yeah, as my friend said, you couldn't hear him though, which is annoying. Comment in the description, like, if you know how to. Like, I want to make it so you can hear him. Alright? Hang on. With random gears. How am I fighting with this? What's this gonna do? What did he get? I don't know what my friend get, but he's just screaming. Oh, he's got a missile launcher. Can't see where he is. I can see him now. He's dead. Yeah? No! Jump over it. Give me the money. Boink. Yeah, this video is going to be, no, my head. I don't want to get concussion. The mysterious drink. What? Drink it. Okay. It's the Grimace Shake. Guys, it said what is the mysterious drink. It's the Grimace Shake. It made me really slow. Maybe I gotta drink more. His head is going rainbow, guys. Guys, I'm standing on his head. Stand on his head if you want a cup of tea. How am I supposed to survive? I've got slowness. I got slowness like 5. No! I got slowness 5. I can't fight. Right, yeah, guys, I'm going to stand on the heads just in case. Oh! Oh, this is hard. We got to team up. Oh, no. No! 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 My slowness is so much hurting. Oh! I'm gonna jump on their heads so I can survive longer. Get on the brick wall. Yup. Right, what's next? What's next? I just pressed the button. Oh, is that a bomb? I can't see it. Yeah. Stop praising that. I don't want to have slowness. Right, hopefully this like gets rid of my slowness and gives me quickness. What? Oh, apparently this is bad. Like, this is good, if anything. Boing! Oh, that's bad. I got slowness. But luckily, I just died, so it would have got rid of the slowness. Yes! Right, let's go. Boing, 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 boing. Yeah, baby! Destroying. We're destroying the crowd. Come on, subscribe! Subscribe! If I make this on this go, the new one that I'm just going to do, this one, then you have to subscribe. Alright, guys, that was just a practice. You have to subscribe if I make this jump and this jump. I want you to subscribe. Guys, please subscribe to make me so I'm not being sad anymore. Right, subscribe if I can make these jump. Yes? Subscribe if I make it to the end. Oh, I hate it. I didn't, so they can't subscribe to me. Present. Oh, I thought those were presents. Why is Santa harassing us? Apparently Santa's gonna harass us. I love harassing Santa. No, I meant find the hole in the wall. This is easy. What? How am I going invisible? Beans, make you fat. No, beans, the more you eat, the more you fat. Beans, the more you eat, the more make you fat. Careful, there are more! Nah, I'm staying mine on. I'm waiting until I get to 12 minutes. That's my limit now, guys. My limit is like 12 minutes. Otherwise, when I edit the videos, it takes too long. Alright, time to just go freestyle and just find wherever I want to go now. I love the mazes. Oh, I don't know where I am. I found a tree. That's good. I see you. Why are you tiny? Little midget. I'm not. I'm just calling you small. He's a very small baby. No, he's gonna get me. He's got toxic acid. He's gonna throw it all over me. No, run away. What? Why did it say watch out? Oh, watch out for what? Oh, that laser beam. Didn't see that coming. Get ready. Set. No, a snowball fight. I thought it was collect the presents. Die. Pelt. Get pelted. Nah. Every duo video, guys, we'll have to, like, work together. Bap. Matt! Destroy him! Get this guy! He's coming! I nearly got him. Whoa, there's a big fat guy. No, this is glitching through the ground. Ah! Why is there a guy glitching through the ground? Guys, it's not just me seeing this, is it? There's it's me. It's me glitching through the ground. Oh, God. Get to the other side. On the other... Whoa, I can jump over the cars. I ain't scared of these cars. I jump over them. Yeah, guys, so I'm ending it like 14 minutes after this one. So, bye, guys. I'm going to end it here, so peace.